You are welcome to this video. In this video we'll be learning how to convert orthographic projection to isometric projection. We have a diagram here in an exploded form. The diagram is in orthographic drawing, and the question says draw the isometric view of the views below using point A as the lowest point on the drawing. This is a diagram given to us. So like I said in my previous video on the conversion of orthographic projection to isometric projection, I told us that the first thing we need to identify, we look at the positioning of the diagram, the views, and the seam, that is where we are to use as the lowest point. Now we are given this point here as our seam, which is the lowest point. It means that this is the point that will be sitting down. Okay, so we are going to be drawing the isometric axis first, because we have to draw in isometric drawing. So we have to draw the isometric axis first. So the first thing I will be doing now is to draw the isometric axis. So let me draw that now. So I'll draw my base this way. Okay, starting from here. Okay, so I can bring that line down now. Okay, seeding lines. Okay. You have this, then for the other side, I will draw the other receding line. Okay, this way. Okay, so in the question, this is our isometric axis now, receding at 120 degree apart from each other. Then the base angle is 30 degree. Okay, so we are told that the lowest point, that is the point that will be sitting down, okay, is A. So this is my A. This is point A now. So if this is point A, this is point A. So we look at the diagram now. So it means that the diagram is tilted towards this side, so meaning this is my front view now. This is the plan. This diagram is in first angle orthographic projection. This is A. So this is my A, and it's tilted towards this. So the total length from here to here is 150. So I will be inputting that now. So I'm going to measure 150. So that is 15 centimeter. So this is 15. So the next thing I will do, from that part there, I will draw a vertical. This way, which will go up that way. Okay, and we are told from the question, so if you look at it very well, the length here is 110, that is 11 centimeter. So I'll be taking 11 centimeter here. So I'll measure 11. this is 11. Okay, so I'll be drawing a parallel line to this line from this 11. So I'll draw a parallel line. I will use my 60 by 30 degree set square for that. Okay, we have this. So the diagram is quite a huge one. So we have this. Now don't forget, this is my length here, which is 11. Okay, this length here is the 150, the total length from here to here. Okay, and we are to put in our this now from here to here. We are told is 25, so you can see 25. So let me put that in now. I'll measure 25. That is 2.5. so this is 25. So I'm going to be having vertical line. So I have a vertical line from that part. Okay, so all lines should be thin at first. So we have that there. So from here now we have this also to be 25. So I'll measure 25 here. That is 2.5. so which is this. Okay, so from here I will draw another receding line. So we are going to be drawing that now from here. So we have this. Okay, I hope we can see that. So this part now, this part here is this from here to here. Okay, let me highlight that part for us to see. So we have this. Take this out. Then this other part. Okay, then you have this like this, then this. Okay, then this part. Okay, so we can see this now. This part is this. Now by the principle of isometric, we should have another line which will recede this way, this way, this way, this way. So I'm quickly going to put that now. So I'm going to put that now. So I'll put that now. So just put your set square this way with the ruler. So just slide to this part. So we're going to draw this line. Okay, I hope you can see that. So the next one is I'm going to be drawing this part now. So I can do this with the aid of my T-square. So just put it this way. Make sure the T-square, the Z-square is resting on the T-square. So you have this drawn. Then we move to this part. From here we have this, then this part. Now you have this. Okay, I hope you can see that well drawn out. So the next thing is we look at this now. When we are looking from, this is the plan. Okay, now I told us that this is arrangement. This arrangement is first angle orthographic projection. So if this is the front, this is the plan now. So when we look from the top now, okay, the whole of this length here is this. So we are going to be inputting that now. This length is this, which is 110. That is 11. So I will be putting that now. So I'll put that now, 11 centimeter. So which is this. Okay, so we can take 11 here too, so that we can connect them. So this is 11, so I can connect these two now. So it's going to be parallel. Okay, so we have that. Then from here now we should have a straight line which will be intersecting with this. So I will draw that now. From here we have this. Okay, I hope you can see that, which is intersecting with this line. Okay, so we have that. Then from here you can see where this line intersects with this. We are going to have another one which will come this way. Okay, so we can have that now. I can do that with my the head of the T-square. So we position our Z-square this way. So just move it to the point. So you move it to the point. So we draw now. So you can see it's meeting this at this point. So from here now we can have a vertical line. So we have this. Okay, so we have completed the block, but what's remaining to be fixed now is this. When we are viewing the block from this side, we are going to be seeing something like this. So we'll see something like this, which we are going to be drawing. Then when we are viewing from the top, don't forget this is our plan, or the top elevation. When we are viewing from the top, we are going to be seeing this. Okay, so how do we figure this out now? So with the aid of this, now when we view from this, so it means that there is something that is coming this way, okay, which we are going to be inputting now. So if you check the measurements, if we look at the measurements very well, okay, for this we are told that from here is 100. Okay, we're having 100. So from this part here, now let's look at it from the top. Let's draw from the top first, looking at it from the top. So this figure here should be centralized. should be at the middle of this value here, 110. So it should be centralized. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be saying 110 minus 25 for me to get the distance, addition of the distance here and here. So I don't know whether you know what I'm saying. So 110 minus 25, so here we have 5, here we have 8, so we're having 85, meaning that the addition of this place and this place is 85. Okay, I'll take that again. The addition of this place and this place is going to give us 85. Okay, so it means now that this 85 now is the addition of this place and this place, meaning now I'm going to be dividing this 85 by 2, so that should give me 42.5. 42.5. It means this place from here to here is 42.5, from here to here is 42.5. I don't know if you get that. So here is 42.5, here is 42.5. So if you are looking at it from the top and this diagram is seated like this, okay, so what it means now is that from here I'll be taking 42.5 from here, I will take 42.5 from here. So you can see this part now is falling here. It's going to be at the middle of this, so I'll quickly take that now. 42.5 is the same thing as 4.25 to centimeter. So to centimeter is 4.25. So this is 4, 1, 2, then 5 in between that. So we have this as well, 4.25 here, this 1, 2, okay, this 4.25, okay, so that this middle will give us 22.5 like we have it now. Okay, so we are having that. So the next thing I will do, I can do the same, or I just draw a vertical line, just draw a vertical line from that part. So we have this, okay, then move it to the other one. Draw a vertical. Okay, so we must look at the, when we look at the diagram, okay, this part here is not reaching the down here, so we need to figure out, we must figure out this measurement here. We figure out this measurement here. Now if you look at it now from here, we need to know what length it is. Okay, this is, the whole length is 150 and we have 125 here, so it means that from here to here is 25, from here to here is 25. So I'm going to be taking 25 here. I can take the 25 here, that is 2.5. so this is it, 2.5. then I can take same here, so I can just connect them together with my thin line. So this is 2.5, so I can just connect those 2 points together. So just connect that. Okay, I hope you can see that now. All right, so from here we'll draw a parallel line to this line here, which will meet this. So I can do that now. Just put it here. So I'll slide my set square until I get to that point. So I can draw the line that way. Then I move to the other one too. I will draw for the other one, slide it like get there. So I'll draw this. Okay, we have this meeting this part here. Okay, so we see that now. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to connect this to this. I'll connect this to this. Okay, we're almost done with the diagram. Just connect this from this point. I'll connect. Okay, then connect this as well. I'll connect this as well. So we have that. So the remaining thing for me now is to highlight my diagram, so that is going to form the shape for us. So I'll just highlight, come here, take this out. I will take this out now. Come here. Take this. Then I will take this to this point here, not completely. Okay, we take it to that point there. Now this, then this part, then this part, okay, then this part, then this part, this part remaining, then this part, then I think finally this part now. Okay, I think we have highlighted all of the parts. So the diagram is going to give us this. So you see what is going to form now. So let's quickly take a look at it. If I'm viewing from, this is my front now, so this is the front. Don't forget, this is our lowest point, this is our A, the lowest point. Okay, when I'm viewing from this side, now I'm going to be seeing this. So this part here is this, it's not completely up to this place. This is the 25mm I left, okay, which is this part. So when you view from the top now, we are going to be seeing from the top now, we are going to be seeing this, okay, and this place, which is this, okay, and this is 25, which is this. Okay, I hope this is clear. Thank you very much for staying tuned. I believe that you can get it with much practice.